Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today I'm showing you how to replace cabin air filter in just 2 minutes, no mechanic needed. The cabin air filter cleans the air, entering your vehicle's ventilation system, removing dust, pollen and other contaminants. Friends, when should the cabin air filter replaced? Let's get into simple installation tips.
Looking for an easy and effective way to improve your car's air quality? Pollutants, all while delivering a fresh, clean breeze. Installation is also a breeze. Clear instructions make it a quick and easy DIY task. You'll have it swapped out in minutes and no tools needed. Customers love the difference it makes. Noticeably, fresher air, reduced odors, and improved AC performance. You can really feel the quality. We recommend replacing it every 6 to 12 months to keep your air fresh and clean year-round. Affordable, high quality, and easy to install. This cabin filter is a smart choice for your car.
If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.